Now we're working 2.4 drop. I mean, Steve, we could do a 3.5.
Let's do a 3.5.
You want to do a 3.5?
Yeah.
Okay. We can do that. I'm down with a... Let me tell you something. I'm down with a 3.5 all day.
I spoke, you didn't.
Yes, yeah. We could definitely do a 3.5. No problem. Because 3's the max on the front struts. And we just gotta, you know.
We're doing it. You might as well just do it all the way. And
exactly.
Don't go.
Because I thought about it. I was like, yeah, because 3.5 looks a little better than the 2.4. Especially with them Mickeys on. Oh, I'm excited. All right.
Everybody in YouTube land, Mickey's going full retard right now.
Well, no one knows I actually am doing the suspension. I saved that. I saved it. I was like, I got a little something else coming that I've been wanting to do because I've been wanting to do it for a while. And then finally, you know, things came through and I can get it done. Yep. So Steve's gonna take all this off, and I'm gonna get to him after he's got this all apart, and then we'll go from there. Got these from Matt from Moe's. Thank him. You see what he puts on the box though when he sends it out to me, even though I bought it off his website. Incredible, Hemi. That's what I said. My wife said, you got a package for Incredible Hemi here.
Imagine that.
Yeah. I was like, who the hell would send me that? I was like, I didn't want anything from... I was like, what's it say? She's like, something from Moe's. I'm like, yeah, that's Matt. Thank you, Matt. Appreciate it. Never seen these. These are a lot bigger than I thought. I mean, you know. These are nice.
See what the test of time does, huh?
Yeah. He said, everyone says these are the better kit than the non-cut, so that's why I got the cut kit.
Yeah, I've been hearing the
they flex or something.
hold-on flexes and
yeah.
starts fatiguing. So I gotta cut the whole upper mount off.
Yeah, from the video I looked online, you have to cut. It looks like you had to cut the whole thing off. The kits.
I have a feeling I'm not really gonna have to adjust your fore length too much. Since it's already set to factory size.
Yeah.
Because their kit's meant to use factory bars, so.
Talk about the front?
The back.
Oh.
With the relocation brackets?
Yeah.
Fuck is this for? The fuck is this? Oh, I know. Panhard bar. You know what a Panhard bar is?
Yes, I do.
Good.
It's that bar. Is it that bar, Steve? That goes like somewhere under there?
Fuck you, dumbass. My name's Nick. Now you got my fucking work cut out for me today. Again. Nothing's ever quick and simple with this fucking guy.
I think it'll be fine.
Yeah, I probably will.
Remember how smooth the supercharger went. This is going to be even smoother.
Yeah.
Hardest part's what? Pulling the fucking axles is the whole job.
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to that part.
Yeah, I know. And these are way better than from what I hear from everyone, way better than Beltec's fucking leveling struts.
Yeah.
Beltec's all bend and broke and shattered. These are supposed to be much better.
The only thing I've ever used from Beltec when I had my RT Tacobas was the 4-inch hanger kit for the leaf springs.
Yeah.
That was it. Everything else was DJM. Fucking peanuts. Alright.
Got one coil off. This is not a stock coil, in case you guys are new to the channel. This is a 2-inch rear drop coil. Me and Steve decided we're going to do the 3.5. It's got to cut a little bit off. It's a 2.4 drop, but the front struts can go to 3 inches, And the rear, you just got to cut a little bit off of the rear to go to bring it back to 5-inch drop in the rear. So, and we have brackets going on, so the Inez relocation brackets will be fine. Got one out. It's working on that. Both springs are out. What do you got to cut this upper bracket, right?
I gotta take bump stops off and the upper bracket.
Bump stops, upper bracket. Gotcha. Okay. We're getting there, fellas. She's going to be a bad bitch when she's done. She's going to have that stands that we've always wanted. Now you can cut these out with a grinder or anything else you can use, but yes, a torch is going to be fastest and probably the easiest and the best if you have access to a torch. So grinder can be used also. He's going to torch it up, and I'm going to, you know, after he's done, I'm going to show you what he cut out so you have an idea of what needs to be cut out. You can also get the non-cut kit, but I just heard that the cut kit is a better kit, so that's what we went with. So we'll go from there. Steve got the one side out, as you can see. Burned it out nice and good. Where's it at? There it is on the ground. There's the other piece. Now he's working on the other side, and he's going to get the brackets on, and we'll see how that bolts up. And yeah, should be good. Should be good. These are the Inez cut kit relocation brackets. They said it's more of a pain, but you know what? We want this thing to be centered perfectly.
You don't do it half-ass. Sit on there like that.
This isn't fully done yet, but just showing you what it takes. Steve had to drill a hole through here for the bracket. 2 bolts on each end. Over here and over here. It's still a little hot from burning it out. It's not too hot. This is just held in, so he knew exactly where it would go. Now he's doing the same thing on the other end. And then he's gonna, you know, get things ready. There's the spring difference. And that's a 2-inch lowering spring compared to the 2.4 one. So the stock one's even longer, so just imagine that, guys. So you know, this is the biggest pain in the ass, burning them out and then drilling this hole. But once this is on, it's going to look really good. Alright guys, got the brackets on. These are going to get probably maybe maneuvered. No, they may be good for now. I don't know, we're going to have to see. Steve may have to loosen them up, but the brackets are on. And Steve is now just putting on the panhard bar, I guess, for whatever reason. The kit came in gray. Kind of funny, everything else is black. Kit came in gray, springs came in gray, and that end bar, sway bar end links came in gray. Yeah, well, but everything else came in, you know, black. But it's all good. We'll be finishing this up very soon. He's just sharpening up a drill bit. He's going to drill a hole here and here. And then we're going to basically bolt everything back up on the rear, and then we'll do the front. Make sure you got the coils the right way?
Yes.
basically ready. Got the panhard bar relocation bracket on. Steve's just putting the shocks in. Forgot about the shocks.
Yeah, I did. These things are fucking stiff.
There you go. A little hard work. We're getting there, boys. We are getting there.
Big.
Oh, they're big, all right.
Wheel look center?
Look, yeah, yep. Wheel looks perfectly centered. Let's see how low she sits. That's perfect. That is perfect. Oh, yeah. Wow, she's sitting low in the rear.
She's down.
In the front, we'll get there, guys. We'll get there. Oh, yeah. Oh. Little rubbage?
Yeah.
Yeah. We already know it's going to happen, though. Oh, they look good, man. That's off. Alright, guys. Now we're working on the rear suspension. As you can see, the fatties are on. When we get this thing back down, roll it out, I'm in love. That's all I got to say. I can't wait till this is fully done. Steve's just going to take the struts out, put the new struts on the springs, and got his strut machine somewhere, wherever he just put it. And yeah, we're going to get this thing rolled up, get some alignment, get going. Alright, guys. Steve's working on the strut over there. He's already got this one off. Gonna put that one on. So we're getting there. Little customization, but we're getting there.
I think we made the right call the first shot.
Think so?
Uh-huh.
Definitely a little bit lower in the front, I feel.
It is, until your back springs break in.
Yeah, because they're already broken in. Here, we're low. Oh my God. Alright guys, we just finished up. See how she looks. getting the alignment done now.
Wait till Phil sees it.
Doing a full alignment on it. Steve's doing that right now. Yes, as you can see, the front is very low. So is the rear. The front is a little bit lower, but we wanted that because the way we, the rear is going to go down a little bit once you're driven. The fronts are the stock springs on the new struts, so they're already broken in. Yeah, they're already broken in. So he's doing his thing. And then we'll take it for a little test drive when we're done and see how things are going. Alright guys, we just finished up with the 2.4 drop from Maxtrac. We have the 15-inch conversion on. We have Maxtrac's lowering 2.4 drop on it. What else do we got did today? We mounted the wheels and tires. We just took it for a test drive, got the alignment done. It's been a little longer of a day. A couple issues, but everything went really smooth. Steve is the man. He knocked it out and did great. And yeah, plan is now get home, got the truck, put the 15s on, put the front skinnies on, hit the track if we can tomorrow. Hopefully we can go tomorrow because it's possibly start to rain. We're not too sure. So yeah, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's finally lowered just the way I want it. I'm going to pull it out a little bit more for you and go walk around the truck a little more so you can see the lowering kit on it. So happy with the 2.4. We actually had it at a 3.4, but it was a little bit too low in the front, and we didn't have, and there was way too much camber, and Steve couldn't get it out with the alignment. It was bad. So we put it up to 2. He got it easily. So we got a 2.4 drop now. I gave Steve my old 2-inch lowering springs. So if you guys are asking, I gave them to him. He can have them because he's done a lot for me. So he's probably gonna put them on his truck. So, but yeah, I'm gonna pull it out, show you guys what it looks like, and then we're gonna hit the road. All right, here's the finished product. We got the Inez cut brackets in the rear, lowering struts in the front. Absolutely, thing came out perfect. Brakes are doing great, feels great. Got the Mickeys ready to go. We're ready to get hit home. Here is the after of the 2.4 drop, man. I love it. Absolutely in love with this. Thank you, Steve. You are the man.
No problem.
I know he's loving the look of it too. Perfectly lowered.
Not low enough.
For you. I'm loving it, guys. All right, guys. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.